Hello everybody, I would just like to show you this dendrobium anosmum, the superbum pink crossed with itself. The new growth is already coming out because spring is near, and of course when it's spring it blooms. So right after the long winter rest of not watering it, it will bloom. The buds will come out and bloom, and there you go. Those are the flowers. Some of them already opened, and guess what? They're very fragrant. They really smell like raspberries. And you cannot really mistake it for anything. Just unlike other orchid flowers wherein you're really not sure if it's cinnamon or soap or whatever, but this one is really like raspberries. This blue Vanda here is the of course the Vanda Pachara delight, as you would know, and that's the tag there. A lot of roots, just because of the vandas are like that. They like their roots hanging loose, all that, and of course you could see the big plant there. A lot of these narrow leaves, and that's the rest of the greenhouse there. You could see the cattleyas, and thank you for watching.